Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a clan on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once it is fully loaded up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and log into your account and you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this main menu page, you will find the clan option at the bottom section. Just tap on this and you will be taken into the clan page. Now if you have already joined a clan, then you will directly be taken into your clan. However, if you have not, then you will see various different clans that you can join within this page. So you can simply tap on any clan that you want to join and you will become a member. However, if you don't wish to be a member of any clan, then in order to quit this clan from the clan page, you will need to tap on member. You will now be shown all of the members that are currently within this clan. Now go ahead and find your username, and at the right side you will find the door icon, which means exit. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to leave this clan, and you will also be told that once you leave a clan, you will not be able to join another one for at least 24 hours. In order to confirm, tap on the OK button and you will immediately leave the clan that you just selected. And now you will need to wait for 24 hours in order to join another clan or the same one as before. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to leave a clan on a Call of Duty mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.